Hopefully, speaking of cool, it'll be cooler than the temperatures I'm expecting into next week. Get ready. Summer comes back with full vengeance. We're going to be roasting with temperatures 10 plus degrees above where they should be this time of year, which is already near the hottest point of the year. Average high is 83. We're going to be well into the 90s for actual air temperatures, and with the humidity, it will feel even hotter. This means a heat wave with 3 or more days in a row of 90 degrees plus is on the way. When was the last time we had it? A little more than a year ago, at the end of June last summer. But these heat waves do not happen often in Cleveland. In the 2020s decade, so 2020 through now, there have only been 5 heat waves in the last 6 years. That's less than one a year. That means we're going to pick one more up. It'll be 6 in 7 years. The thing, though, also that I'm worried about is the long duration part of it. Last time we had a heat wave of many days is a 6-day heat wave in 2024. We could be matching that this week. And the other part of the equation, like I mentioned, is the humidity, which is already going up ahead of the heat wave. We're already feeling quite humid. So if you're thinking about doing a good hairdo, that's not happening anytime soon. The humidity only gets worse throughout the next week. When you see especially Wednesday and Thursday, we're borderline ridiculous levels of humidity. So when you combine the two together, the heat and the humidity, it will feel dangerously hot. You want to limit that time outside, especially Tuesday through Thursday, because that is the core of this upcoming heat wave. Extreme danger, likely, especially on Wednesday, with those heat index values close to 105. Again, last summer, we've had some pretty hot days and some days where the heat index got close to 100. But when we're well over 100 for 3, and if I were to extend this, likely 4 or 5 straight days, that is when it gets really problematic, especially for the elderly and for the children. So it's important to be inside as often as possible in the air conditioning and to stay hydrated with water. I'll have more tips on news5cleveland.com in a few minutes, so you want to stay tuned for that as well. Futurecast, though, through the rest of today, a couple of those showers right now get out of the way, and it's only isolated showers into this afternoon, clearing out this evening. We're dry tonight, we're dry tomorrow morning, albeit cloudy. We start cloudy on Sunday. We improve with increasing sunshine throughout the day, but a couple of isolated downpours can pop up, especially south and east of Cleveland, Ravenna, Akron, Canton areas. A slight opportunity for a quick downpour between about 2 o'clock and sunset. Once we're past that, that's off to the races with the temperatures, and the heat wave will begin on Tuesday. So Monday's almost a transition day. Out of the cooler upper 70s, lower 80s range into a hot and humid day. It will feel like well into the 90s, so pool day for sure as long as you got the sunscreen on Monday. Tuesday feels like temperatures approaching 100 degrees. Wednesday, well over 100, and it stays that way, unfortunately, into the July 4th weekend as well.